thought that came to mind is this: are you wishing or are you working? You know, everybody wants this dream life. Everybody wants to have great success in their life. But what are they willing to do? Are they actually willing to do the work? And I think that's one of the major differences. There's a lot of dreamers. There's a lot of people talk about what they're going to do, but when it comes to taking the action, they fall short. You know, if you only work when you want to, if you only work when you feel good, you're never going to be successful, right? I mean, you need to work when you don't want to. You need to work when you don't feel good, because we all have days where we don't feel good. It's consistency. It is focus. It is not just wishing, it is working. And I think that is where a major difference or a major hurdle. So be honest with yourself, look in the mirror, ask yourself, are you wishing or are you working? Are you doing what it really takes to have success, or are you just talking about it?